In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a course in Teachable. If you've decided a course has run its course or you're cleaning up your school, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it safely and confidently. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting a course is permanent. Once it's gone, students will lose access and the content can't be recovered. If you think you might need the material later, consider downloading your lesson files or copying key content to your own archives first. To get started, sign into your Teachable school using an account that has admin or owner permissions. Only those roles can remove a course, so make sure you're using the right login. Once you're in your school's dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Courses. This opens a list of all the courses currently in your school, whether they're published or in draft. Find the course you want to delete. If you have a long list, you can scan the titles or use any available filters or search to get to it faster. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct course, especially if you have similar names or multiple versions. On the right side of that courses row, you'll see a small triple dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click that icon to reveal additional actions for the course. Among those options, choose Delete Course. Teachable will typically prompt you to confirm because this action can't be undone. Read the prompt carefully and acknowledge the warning to proceed. If you change your mind at this stage, you can cancel and nothing will be removed. When you confirm, Teachable will delete the course from your school. This means the curriculum, lessons, and student access tied to that course are removed. If the course was linked anywhere else in your school, such as on a sales page or a navigation menu, it's a good idea to review those areas afterward to make sure you don't have dead links. After deletion, you'll return to your courses list. If the course still appears momentarily, refresh the page to update the list. That's it, the course is now fully removed from your Teachable school. To recap the flow, log in as an admin or owner, head to Courses on the left sidebar, locate the course, click the triple dot icon on the right, and select Delete Course, confirming when prompted. Take your time, verify the correct course, and keep backups if you might need the material later.